students. This week we're gonna do some substitution or uh, evaluating expression. So these are some notes. Please, while I do this video, I recommend you guys taking notes, okay? You can go ahead and rewind this video as many times as you need to watch the video as many times as you need to. So substitution, these are your notes. We have an expression here because there's no equal sign. So it's just an expression with variables. They're giving you the values here for x equals, y equals, and z equals. So they're giving you that x is 5, y is 2, and z is 3. So what we're going to do is that whenever you see an x, we're going to put 5. Whenever you see a y, these two places, you're going to put a 2. And whenever you see a c, then you're going to put a 3. Now we're going to use parentheses here because we're going to be careful with our signs and stuff, okay? Okay, so whenever you see our x, let's put a 5. So there's an x here, so we put a 5 here, right? There's a y right here, so y should be 2 here. And then 2 times y, so 2 times y is 2. And then where the z is, the 3 went, right? Because that's already done for us. And then we are simplifying. So that's 4 times 5, that's 20, times 2, that is 40. 2 times 2, that is 4. And then we rewrite the 3. And then now we just do order of operations, right? We did order of operations here also. 40 plus 4, that's 44. Minus 3, that is 41. Notice that you get an actual number here, okay? Because you do have the values now. All right, we keep going. So the next one, it says 9 times the quantity of 9 times C minus A and then minus R. When the value for C is 4, the value for A is 2, and the value for R is negative 5. Careful here with the negative 5. All right, so we have 3. 9 times C, and C is 4. We're going to put a 4 here for C, minus A, and A is 2. We're going to put a 2 here. And then minus r. R is negative 5. So be careful here. This is negative 5. Okay? We're going to use another parentheses for that. All right, now we solve whatever is inside. So we say 9 times 4, that is 36, minus 2. And then we rewrite this, negative 5. We haven't solved this yet. All right, so now we solve. 36 minus 2, that's 34. Minus negative 5. Okay. All right. So now we use a calculator. What is 3 times 34? That's 102. So we have 102. And then a minus and a minus together is a plus. So plus 5 equals 107. And that is my answer. Okay. Careful, minus and a minus here is plus. Okay. All right. Let's do the next one. So on the next one, we're going to use D equals negative 2, A equals 2, R equals 1, and K equals 6. They're giving you all these values. So whenever you see a D, you're going to put negative 2. Whenever you see an A, we're going to put a 2. R, we're going to put at 1. You're multiplying here. And then on K will be a 6 here, right? Okay. Now we do order of operations. We're going to go starting with multiplication. That is negative 10. And then 9 times 2, that's 18. Times 1 is 18. And then minus 6. From left to right, negative 10 minus 18, that's negative 28. Minus 6, that is negative 34. And that is your answer. Okay. All right, let's keep going with examples. You guys get it? Okay, we have. They're giving you the substitution here, the values for X, for Y, for M, for P, and for N. You have some that are fractions here, but that's not going to be so bad. All right, so on number 1, let's see. 4 times X, so it's 4 times, and then let's use parentheses, kind of like that. It's easier to see. So X, the value for X is 8, so there's an X here, so I'm going to put 8 instead. And then M over here, because 2 times M, and M is 3. And now I'm going to solve. 4 times 8 is 32, minus 2 times 3 is 6. That is 20, what? 26. That's my answer. Okay, let's not do the ones with fractions because I'm not going to teach fractions. But let's do number 5. Okay, so we say, so X is what? 8. So the value, so X is 8. So it's 2 times 3 times 8 plus 6. Let's solve whatever is inside the parentheses. 3 times 8 is 24 plus 6. And that is 2 times 30, which is 60. And that's my answer. Okay. All right, let's show you some with exponents. This one gives you the values right next to your problem here. So the way you read this is the expression, and they're giving you X equals 1 and Y equals 2. So you're just going to replace whatever it's inside the expression. So whenever you see a Y, you put a 2. So that's 2 divided by 2 plus, and then X is 1. And then you solve. 2 divided by 2, that's 1 plus 1 equals 2. That's my answer. All right, let's do one with exponents over here. Let's do number 6. So we have that minus that. So whenever you see a y, you're gonna put 7. And whenever you see an x, you're also gonna put 7. Because both are the same. 7. Okay. 7 times 7, that's 49 minus 7. That is 42. And that's my answer. All right. What about one with distribution? So we have 3 letters here, and we have the value for x, for y, and for z. So whatever you see as z, you're gonna put a 6, and then inside the parentheses is 6 plus. These are all positive, so it's nice and nicely done over there. 6 plus 8, that's 14. And 6 times 14, it's 84. And you are done. All right, let's do something like number 9. Now that we're on a roll, we're going to keep doing just one more. So we have P equals 3 over here, and M equals 9. And this is the expression. So that's the same as saying this cube plus 10 plus whatever M is. M is 9 and P is 3. So that's 3 times 3 times 3, right? It's not 3 times 3. It's 3 times 3 times 3, which is 27, plus 10 plus 9. You're going to go from left to right. 27 plus 10, that's 37. And 37 plus 9, that's 46. And that's your answer. Okay, I hope this helps. If you have more questions, please let me know. Please use this video as many times as you need to watch it and take notes. Bye, guys.